Police, please. Somebody's trying to back up into me on the highway. I'm driving backwards on the shoulder. And
what's your name?
James Turner. James Turner. It won't let me record on my phone, but I am.
And who's trying to rear-end you?
RAV4 white. I don't have the license plate number.
A white RAV4.
Okay, they're gonna try and ram me head on. I'm in danger.
What's your vehicle?
I'm in danger. I'm in Honda Accord. Okay, I'm in danger. Why are you running into me?
And you're on 11, just...
Yeah, on 11 going. He's gonna try and run me into the bridge. I'm in danger right now. I'm in danger. On the bridge. He's running into me.
On the bridge.
Highway 11.
Correct.
Highway 11. I'm in danger.
Are you injured at all at the moment?
No, he's looking at me. He's yelling at me. He's looking at me.
He ran into you.
He ran into me. I'm in danger. I'm headed towards the police station. I'm not running from him, but he ran into me, so I'm headed towards the cow.
What color is the RAV4?
White. I need a cop now. He ran into me. I'm headed towards the cow, towards the cop station. Highway 11 taking right towards the Temiskaming Mall. I have my phone. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm not used to getting chased. He's gonna try to kill me. I'm not sure why.
And do you know the person there?
What?
Do you know the person?
No, I don't know. Can I have a cop now, please? I'm headed towards the cop station.
Is the RAV4 following you?
Yes, he's still following me towards the cop station. He's chasing me. He's passing me. I'm in front of... Ow! He's gonna hit me again. I can't see anything.
Yeah, I understand that. We have help on the way.
He hit me. He's driving away towards Walmart, I think.